Part 3, we will now look at limitations of climate modeling. Each climate model realization is an incomplete representation of reality. We do not have information about all the climate processes that occur in reality in order to represent them in climate models. So keep that in mind that climate models are not always perfect. For example, in mountainous regions and for some processes such as convective precipitation in the tropics, it is not possible to provide reliable quantitative projections of these processes. So note that when using climate projections in risk assessments. Always keep in mind that climate models reproduce some variables better than others. For example, climate models are very good at reproducing monthly seasonal averages and reproducing large-scale weather systems compared to reproducing fine-scale systems such as convective storms. Also, in terms of variables, climate models are very good at reproducing temperature-based variables compared to precipitation-based variables, especially precipitation extremes. Climate model outputs are useful. So despite uncertainties, climate model output contributes to knowledge of plausible future change and data sets for applications such as infrastructure risk assessments. So obtained climate projection data sets, consult an expert to produce application-ready climate data and understand the limitations of climate projections before using them in climate risk assessments. Some guidance on the use of climate data sets. 1. Get baseline climate values as accurate as possible. Station data in particular is prone to a lot of inhomogeneities, differences in record lengths, and you have issues with measurement errors. So they typically need to be quality controlled before they can be used in practical climate risk assessments. Use multiple models and consider multiple emission scenarios. Understand climate data limitations and considerations before using them in practical risk assessments. Always consult a qualified, experienced climate expert in your climate risk assessment team. Document professional judgment decisions. So document what worked and what did not work when you're doing a climate risk assessment. These are important for your future reference. And that brings us to the end of this session. I would like to thank you for your time and attention today.